guys, welcome back. I've got a Feelunique beauty haul for you today. I've been a bit naughty and ordered quite a few items. Some that I've been interested in trying for a while, others are kind of repeat purchases of things that I absolutely love. So before we dive into that, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Feelunique, they are a beauty website. You can buy so many different products from there. Beauty, you know, body care, hair care, makeup, skincare. There's a wide range of products, as well as they do their monthly beauty kit also, which will be coming soon because I need to order that today. So I purchased a few things. Oh, I say a few. There's quite a few items in here. I will link all the prices down below because off the top of my head I can't tell you how much everything costs, but we're just gonna dive in. And the first item I've got is This Works Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for dry overwashed hands. This is 250 mils. I got a small size of this in my Look Fantastic beauty subscription box and I've used it already. It's gone. I've done it in 2 weeks. I fell in love with it, so I had to order a full size of this. It comes in a little pump which is so cute, and I will just, I'm not gonna obviously pump it all out, but there we go, obviously the little pump. Pop some on my hands. This is lavender. It smells absolutely stunning. It reminds me of the pillow spray. I've been using this sort of morning and evening. It goes on like a balm. It's not greasy. It's very strong lavender scent to start with, but that does kind of, you know, dry down and back off. But it's just, this is gorgeous and my hands absolutely love it. They're kind of, it's softened them up and they look younger than they did do, which is good. You know, you don't want to have a nice skincare routine where your skin kind of looks younger and then you have aged hands. So yeah, there's the first item. I do highly recommend you check that out. The next item we've got is the Essence, and this is the highlighter brush. Now, I picked up the Essence, I think Fake It mascara, sorry that's a bit loud, Fake It mascara in my beauty kit, and I've been intrigued to try the brand, and I've come across these brushes. I think this one was £2.50. It's a lovely looking brush. It's very, very soft. Great for highlighting. So I can't wait to try that. So I'm very intrigued. I picked up another Essence brush, and this is the Essence bronzer brush. Now I know this was £3.50, which I think is really reasonable for these face brushes. And I've got to say, the couple of items that I've come across with Essence so far, I'm actually really pleased with. So there's the brush there. Very, very soft. I like that. Yeah, and just kind of go round. Yeah, at the moment I kind of use like an angled brush, but you can kind of only really go one way with it and you can't really work the bronzer into the skin. So I thought this kind of fluffy one would be better. So I'm going to try that. The next item I have, this is going to appear in a mask Monday because I had to try these. This is the Wishful, which is Huda Beauty's skincare line. Eye Lift and Snatch under eye masks. These look so cool. I think these are about £4, but don't take me on that. This is just kind of off the top of my head, but I will put kind of prices down below like I said. And there's the back, and I've used the chin lift mask and I used their sheet mask before, so I thought I had to try these, and these, if they are £4, they're quite reasonably priced, especially if they do the job. So you will see that coming in a mask Monday soon. I've got a sample here, and this is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. It's just a little one. It looks really, really cute. Look at this. Now, I'm not going to open this up just yet because I've got a few primers that I am kind of working my way through. But you will get an update on this in a faves and fails if I like it. Yeah, and you get sort of like, you know, it comes in the little packaging and gives you more information. if you order over a certain amount, you get 2 free samples, which I think is quite cool. It's a nice way to try, oh, I've thrown it around, a nice way to try products. Oh, my last sample was rolled around everywhere. I have to dig that out in a minute. I have got another Essence product, and this is the Essence Choose Your Glow Highlighter Palette. Now, I'm a bit disappointed with this because it's broken. Unfortunately, I am a bit bummed out. It's going to go absolutely everywhere for swatching. It's not absolutely smashed to pieces, as you can see. I should be able to salvage it, but you know, it wasn't wrapped properly, so it has smashed. So I'm just gonna try and get a good swatch. And there's the 3 of them there. I think they're really nice shades. Wow, yeah, they are really nice shades. I think they will complement my skin tone quite well, so I'm quite pleased with those. And it wasn't, if I remember rightly, it wasn't, you know, overly priced, so I'm looking forward to trying them. So I haven't got my handy wipe, so I'm just having to rub it in. The next item I got, this really intrigued me. It's the Neutrogena Oil Balancing in Shower Mask. Now, I was reading up on this. It says it activates with the steam in the shower, and you leave it on for 5 minutes. And it says it's got lime and glycolic acid. It deep cleanses and unclogs pores with a mattifying effect. So I'm really intrigued into trying this. I will update you in the future. Any excuse for a mask. I've got so many kind of different pots of masks as well as sheets. Yeah, so I'm very much looking forward to trying this. If you've used this, drop me a comment down below. I'd love to know what you kind of think about it. I'm hoping it's not going to be too stripping on my skin. I have got a repeat purchase here. I absolutely love this, and I've missed it. It's the Cerave SA Smoothing Cleanser. It's for dry, rough and bumpy skin, and this has salicylic acid in it as well as 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. It's fragrance free. I absolutely love this, and I really missed when I used it up, so I had to buy another one. This isn't cheap, you know, for a cleanser. You know, it's not pricey in the extent that it's £30–40, but I still think it's like between £12 and £15. Now, for something that you're going to plough through quite quickly, in my view, that can be quite pricey, considering I use one that costs sort of £2 from Asda on a regular basis. But this is worth the money, and it did last me a while. So check this out, especially if you do have that kind of rough, bumpy skin, because it really did smooth out my complexion. So I'm looking forward to trying that again. I have got, oh, I just had to. This is the Sol de Janeiro. It's the hair mask. I've been wanting to try this for ages. This is a pricey brand. I use the moisturiser, and that's sort of for £30 to £40 a pop. This, I had to get a mini because, you know, it's pricey. But I've heard some good things about this, and I'm really hoping it smells like the kind of body cream. Oh yeah, it smells exactly the same. There we go. As you can see, you don't get a lot. It is pricey, but this is a nice treat and something for me to try. I love their packaging. It's so cute. If you really like the smell of this, because they do a shower gel, it's called Foreplay. If you love the shower gel, but you can't kind of justify the price, go on to Cheap Treacle Moon, and they do a shower gel called the Brazilian, and it smells absolutely identical. So yeah, and it's £3 for 500 mils, whereas the Foreplay is sort of, you know, £20 to £30 for a lot smaller bottle. So yeah, I recommend that, but I can't wait to try this. I'm going to have a soak in the bath tonight and try it. Staying on the hair mask, this is one of my favourites. I'm afraid I don't think I've shown this in a Faves and Fails because I think I used it all up, but this will be coming in one. This is the Extra Strength Argan Oil Hair Mask. It's from OGX. It's absolutely stunning. It smells gorgeous. this is kind of, it smells like a salon. My hair absolutely loves this. It makes it silky, smooth. I leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And the smell lingers as well for a couple of days. My partner has commented, you know, your hair smells nice. And sort of like he'll walk past or kind of, you know, snuggling down to go to sleep. Yeah, I absolutely love this. And I've missed it. I've gone without this, I'd say, for about 2 months now. So I can't wait to get that back on my hair. There is another repeat purchase here. My friend absolutely hates this, but I love it. It's the Garnier Organic Purifying Thyme Perfecting Toner, and it has organic thyme, essential oils, and salicylic acid. I wondered when I'd trip up. And it's for combination and oily skin. This is absolutely, it's a stunning toner. I love this. My skin loves it. It kind of helps get rid of the scarring after blemishes. It kind of just calms my skin down. It is fragranced, but it's not overpowering. This is quite reasonably priced as well, and I think this is sort of 3rd, 4th bottle, maybe 5th bottle that I've gone through in about a year. So yeah, absolutely love this. So I can't wait to get going with that again. I have got a mini eyeshadow palette. I'm kind of on a sort of eyeshadow palette ban because I've run out of space. And next month I'm going to be ordering my vanity, and we're kind of rearranging our bedroom around so I can have more space, which means I can buy more stuff. Which is very naughty of me, but I can't help it. This is the Essence My Power Is Earth palette. Yay, it's not broken. Let's just take off this plastic and then you can actually see it without it being reflected everywhere. These are not my kind of tones or shades that I'd normally go for, but I really liked it. And there we go. I think there's some really nice kind of earthy neutral tones in there. I think this would be fantastic for sort of late summer coming into autumn or fall, and you're just, you know, you're changing your makeup looks. I think this would be ideal for that sort of transition. So let's just swatch a few of these. Let's go for that brown one too. There we go. Look, you've got some lovely greens, oranges. It's kind of very full palette, I think. Oh, yeah. That's quite a nice palette. That has swatched very well. That orange is gorgeous. I can't wait to try that. I'm not really an orangey kind of person. Bear in mind I've got green eyes. Kind of orangey, kind of reddy tones are supposed to be good for making your eyes pop if you've got green eyes. But yeah, and this green looks lovely. It's kind of that nice kind of metallic green. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I have got a eyeliner. Not that I need any more eyeliners, but this is the Barry M, and it's the Bold Waterproof Eyeliner, and it's in rose gold. Now I've got a few Barry M eyeliners and I quite like them, but I don't have a rose gold. I tend to have sort of black, green eyeliners. I've got a few green ones. I've got a gold one, but I tend to wear brown quite a lot because it's just a more softer look. There's the tip for you. It does look rose gold. Do we have a sharpener on the end? No, not that I can see. Let's give this a swatch. Still got the eyeshadow palette on my hand. Let's give it a good go. Make sure you can really see it. It's that top line, if you can kind of see it. It's very kind of faint, but it's there. Yeah, I'm hoping you can see that. I do apologise, I'm not great with my swatches at all. But yeah, there you go. That is a nice shade. I quite like that. Yeah. So I'm very interested in trying that. Now I've got a Lottie London eyeshadow. I think it was in my glossy box, and that was a good box this month. And it really intrigued me to pick up other shades because I'm quite impressed with it. So this is the Lottie London, it's the foiled eyeshadows, and this is in the shade Outlast. And we got kind of like the little cap there on the top. Oh, I think the other one I got was golden. think this is more, it's more kind of pinky. Oh, yeah, it's kind of like a pinky kind of bronze. Where am I going to put this? Oh, wow, yeah. It's this one. Not that you can miss that one. It's like a really nice kind of bronze. That is absolutely stunning. Yeah, this is a really good formula, and I highly recommend. They blend out so well, look, like a dream. They do not crease. The colour lasts. So I'm going to look into, I've got it everywhere. I'm going to look into, oh look, look into more shades. And oh, got 2 items left. What is this? This is, I think this is the Lottie London Eye Foil, and this is like an eyeshadow stick. It's bright silver. I don't know where I'm going to put this one. If I can get it out. Unfortunately, I'm covered in hand cream. I should really kind of unseal these before recording. Make life a lot easier. Plus, you know, where I've had treatment on my shoulder, I've kind of at the moment not got a lot of strength. So there we go. That's what the applicator looks like. I'm going to have to pop this up on my arm somewhere, I think. It's just basically like a glitter topper. Don't know if you can see that. I wouldn't say it. Let's get another swatch. I'm not saying I'm overly impressed with that. Pop a bit more on. Yeah, it's basically, I don't know if you can see it there, like a silver kind of topper, which I think would be quite cool. So I give it a go. It's not really swatched very well, unfortunately. But hey ho. And the last item I've got is my last sample, and it's the Caudalie Vino Pure, and it's kind of like a small toner, which is quite cool. It keeps popping out the packaging because it's quite a chunky thing. It keeps coming out. So yeah, there's my haul. What did you think? Kind of went a bit nuts. I did a Revolution haul as well, which I'm going to have to split up into 3 different parts because it was quite a big one. We've got a big kind of XX Revolution set, which is an absolute bargain. I'm going to be recording that in a minute, so I can't wait to show you that. There's skincare there as well, and there's sort of like a mini makeup haul. So if that intrigues you, keep your eyes peeled, and don't forget, if you enjoy my videos and you don't want to miss another one, make sure you're subscribed, ring the bell, and then you'll be notified of all my future uploads. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care.